Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio. Once your phone is paired to the Bluetooth system in this Range Rover Evoque, if you go to your music, to your tunes, you'll see, I'll just turn that down. What would do if I haven't got big fingers? You see at the bottom Range Rover. If you just click on that, you'll see there's a tick next to Range Rover. If you can't see that, just click on that little triangle with the circles and just make sure. So we've got a tick there. That means that if you're on media and you're on Bluetooth, anything that's playing on this on your phone will come out through the speakers of the radio. So now what we do, if we go over to audio video on here, you see my music there. Click on my music. It's already on Bluetooth, but if it's not, you click on the plus at the end there, and then you've got a choice. It could have been an auxiliary, USB, stored CDs, like so. I'll just go back. So if we go back, just go back a bit more. So you've got a tick there. You come onto your music. You've got audio video there. You can see it's on USB. So you click audio video, and then you see source there. Click plus, and then phone, and anything that you play on your phone will come on here. So I'll turn this up now. So that's that. And then I'll turn it up on my phone because I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But if I turn that up, and that's it playing through the system. Sometimes I get comments on my videos saying that it's not very loud. You have to make sure that that's turned up, the volume's turned up on your phone. Otherwise you can turn that up as loud as you want and it will still only play to the volume of your phone. So that's it. So that's how you do that.